guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Durahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video today is all about the Ulanzi A30 microphone. So I decided to grab this kind of microphone again because the first microphone captured a lot of people, and some of the people reached out to me and they wanted that microphone. But today I decided to grab it again from Ulanzi and to check it out, the A30. It's a tiny microphone, and I can say this kind of microphone is kind of closer to DJI mic mini. We're gonna be unboxing it again and check it out, what's packed and what are the features and what's included through this kind of Ulanzi A30 microphone. So enough of me talking, let's get started through unboxing this kind of bad boy. So yeah, so guys, here we have it and we're gonna be unboxing it right now. So as you guys can see what's happening with this kind of microphone. Whoa, there we go. So having this kind of paperwork throughout here, this is your user manual and you can spot it here. You can read it to understand, because this kind of microphone has a bunch of features. Without you reading it, you won't understand what's happening. Getting some stickers over here from Ulanzi, so if you want to decorate your microphone, it's okay, you can do that. Okay, this is our mic, as you can spot it here, really nice, and I'm gonna keep it aside first. What do we have here? We are having the pouch. Okay, this is the pouch whereby you have to keep your mic, and these are the connectors, so nothing else is left on the box. So you're having this kind of connector here, and we're going to be checking it out because this kind of connector seems to be great. You're having USB-C, and I'm going to keep it aside, and on here you're having USB-C to jack, which connects to your camera. So we're going to test all the cables so as you can see the differentiation. And over here you're having your bag from Ulanzi. So this kind of bag, it's all about having accessories. So this type of accessories, let us just check them out. So as you guys can see, first thing first, you're having a USB-C to lightning connector over here, which is really great. So this is a lightning to USB-C kind of connector, which you really need it for the iPhone users. Having this kind of smaller magnetic kind of stuff, which you have just to use it throughout on your microphone. So we're gonna see it how it really works. You're having the windshields, so these are your windshields, so as it can protect you throughout recording outdoor. Over here guys, you're having this kind of shells, small mini shells, whereby you can just interchange on your microphone whenever you need it. So there we go guys, nice and clean. That's our microphone over there. It's a white one. I really like the color throughout changing it, because the last time we got it was black. So this one, it seems to be great and it's working really fine. And as you can spot it over here, this is our tiny mic. I'm going to keep it aside first, and this one too is our tiny mic. And this is our bad boy, the connector throughout your smartphone, your cameras, and many more you prefer. And this kind of case over here, it's like a small mini power bank. Remove this kind of tapes, which they're here, so as they can have intact on the case. Keep it back, and this one too, you just have to do it like that. There we go. So we are having it up and running, and it will be just within few seconds the microphone will be on. So right now let's talk about the interchangeable case on the mic. So let's say you're having this kind of microphone and you want to change this entirely case. You just have to pop it here. You see, you just have to pop it with your fingers just like that, nice and steady, and you're having your case out. This one, and you snap back your microphone just like that. So as you can spot it right now, the color has changed and the microphone has an amazing kind of color. So on top of that, to make it like an ingredient or stuff like that, you can use the stickers to make it better combination on your microphone whenever you're interchanging this kind of case, so as you can have a better look throughout there. If you like on air, mic, or thumbs up, star, this kind of heart, Ulanzi logo, and it's such an amazing thing. So yeah, the body, it's all about how the microphone works and how the microphone capability wise. Because if I take this kind of magnet off from DJI and I keep it here, it works fine on this kind of Ulanzi microphone, surprisingly, which is great. I don't think throughout magnetism they can be a little bit different, but when it comes to sound quality between the DJI mic and this kind of mic, it's a little bit different, I understand, but I feel like they are all just sharing a little bit closer to the same thing, though they're kind of a little bit different, but still I think by far the DJI and Ulanzi mic on sizing wise, they almost coming closer throughout there. So it's something which is actually no bad thing. I think it's such an innovation stuff throughout the microphone. So yeah. So guys, right now let's talk about the Ulanzi A30 core specs. Well, it has an audio quality of 48 kilohertz with a 16-bit with the noise cancellation. It has a range up to 50 meters line of sight, and it has a battery of 5 hours per mic and 20 hours total with the charging case. It weighs around just 11 grams, super lightweight, bin size, which is really nice. Connection wise, it works with phones, cameras and PCs, which use a USB-C, lightning and even the 3.5mm kind of cable. On design wise, it has a clip-on or a magnetic easy auto pairing, which is really nice throughout the Ulanzi A30 mic. And the voice here you're hearing, it's actually implemented using the Ulanzi A30 microphone, which is really great.
So guys, right now I'm doing a range test on this kind of microphone, how much it's picking up. It seems to be really great when it comes to range, because a lot of you guys, you might be asking yourself, how is it possible for this kind of microphone to just give you a long range? It goes for bigger range, and it's really great. But if you're having blocks, this microphone might be a little bit problem. But if you're having an open space, this kind of microphone works really flawless. But it doesn't mean that if you have blocks, it will be a block problem. But it means blocks, it means that a certain range will be stopped. Let's say it's a 50 feet. So 50 feet, it will go, if there's a block, it will go for 30 feet or 25 feet. So yeah. So guys, that's it about the microphone from Ulanzi A30. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of microphone. It's something which you just think about grabbing it throughout your content creation, because a lot of you guys, I've come across and noticed some of you guys use microphones, some of you guys don't at all. I don't know why, but you just have to grab even a mobile friendly kind of mic, which I'm talking about this kind of microphone here, which we reviewed last time. This kind of microphone, they're so budget, and nowadays you can get more budget friendly mic, but you just have to get something a little bit decent. Somebody can hear the sound, can hear how much the audio quality it is, and they can say, okay, that's a decent audio quality. You just don't want to record your audio like it's coming through the vessel, you know what I mean, or an echo kind of room whereby people can listen to it. But overall, this is such an amazing microphone from Ulanzi, and I kind of like it the way they kept it. It does not gives you bunch of stuff compared to DJI mic, though the sizing wise they're a little bit closer, and the body wise it's a little bit closer to DJI mic too. But still, I can say the Ulanzi A30 is at an budget entry level, like it's a $50 kind of mic, whereby it does not break your bank account. It's just something which is quite impressive. So this is the Ulanzi A30 mic, and hope you guys love it, and up on the next one. And so thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subbing to your boy here, AB113 Tech, because we're about just to hit almost 10k subs, and it's gonna be really great. Before the end of the year, we hit around 10k to be really dope. And let me know in the comments down below if you're thinking about grabbing this kind of microphone, or if you have any kind of mic suggestion you prefer me to review. I can order it, we check it out. Like I'm thinking about grabbing the LAC mic, Holy Land microphone, and we're gonna start with the LAC A1. I think it's good, and we see how it flows, and we're gonna try another LAC mic again. So we're gonna be trying different microphone. If you have any suggestion, let me know in the comments down below, so as we can wrap things around. So thank you guys for watching. Out on the next one, and peace.